sprinter today. First day run with Apple Courier Connect here in Atlanta. Be on boss with this company out here in Atlanta, based out of Marietta. Empty van right now, headed out that way to the Nissan dealership, pick up some auto parts. Guess what, guys? They're paying me $250 a day for this run. So it's run about 6 hours, picking up auto parts. I'm gonna see the mileage. I can't think of no more than 150 miles I could be going. So we're gonna check it out. Gonna give you an update throughout the day. It's what, 7:25 a.m. right now. It's about a 30-minute trip from my house to the dealership. So we're gonna check this out. I'm gonna give you an update once I get everything loaded, and give you a breakdown at the end of the day. Got this first day going with this new company, Auto Parts Carrier. Later. Yeah. So second load. So after you drop off some parts, some of these places got some parts to pick up and return. So these are the returns I'm doing right now, guys. This is a very lucrative opportunity. I'm going to share a link with the company down below. They have positions all throughout Georgia and a couple other cities, so definitely stay tuned, check them out. But yeah, delivering auto parts real simple, man. There's another company dropping some stuff off. They got his sprinter van. So yeah, just sitting here waiting some time right now to the next set of runs after 12. Then we get into the bread, baby. Be on boss. You gotta pick up. Pick up a bumper. Move this bumper, man. Alright, so there you go. See the parts. See the place we're dropping off there. Day 2, your boy Credit K out here in the van with the runs with these big auto parts. Still doing this courier service, auto part courier out of Marietta. Plenty of them. Just do your Google searches on Indeed. You'll find the one I'm talking about. Not my name drop. In case you guys say, hey man, I know this guy named Kevin, he make a video, whatever. But I still want to put you guys on game, man. I started this run at 8 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock now. Next start about 9. So only been running 2 hours. About, see me the miles in. About 50 miles. I'm gonna make about 150 for these 2 hours. Gas can ain't even move. Let me see what the gas can. Gas can barely move. So it's good deal, guys. Be rolling.